as OECI approaches nearly 5 decades, we can be proud of what we achieved together. Our strength lies in institutional excellence and the power of our community. Now, we can begin a new chapter. We are called not only to preserve what has been developed by the previous generation, but also together we can shape and reinforce our organization and our leadership. Therefore, I invite all OECI members to our General Assembly meeting in Warsaw in June. During this meeting, we can discuss about the best opportunity for our organization and how our strategy for future should look like. I strongly believe that together we can shape not only our future as an organization, but also cancer care and research in Europe and beyond.